Your details are actually out there, and if care is not taken, criminals can use it to defraud you. Government and security agencies can also use it to track you in virtually all your activities online. So basically in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your activities, your history, every information concerning you from Google completely, because a whole lot of things that you do on Google are actually stored up on Google, including your credit card, including everything that concerns you. Now, for some persons to delete their history from Google, they thought it's just for them to go to this three dots up here, then scroll down to settings here, come down here, and then click on delete here. Now, if you click on this delete over here, that does not erase your activities on Google. Your activities is very much on Google. So what you need to do for you to actually erase your activities from Google is for you to follow the steps I'm going to be showing. So first and foremost, you need to go to just sign into your Google account. All right. Now, when you sign into your Google account, then you come to your profile up here. All right. Now, when you come to your profile here, you click on your profile, then you click on this manage your Google account here. Now, when you click on this manage your Google account, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now, when it brings you to this interface, you need to come to the left hand side here, then you scroll down to data and privacy. All right. Now you click on data and privacy, it's going to bring you to this interface. Then you just scroll down to where it's going to show you my activities or view my activities. So this is where all your activities on Google are being stored. Where you go to, you make calls or you make voice messages with Google, you use your credit card, you use anything you use, everything is going to be here. All the sites you visit, everywhere you put in your information, everything is going to be here. For example, let me quickly show you something. Now, for the last 3 to 4 hours, I've been on Google, and here you can see virtually every site I visited. You can see every site I visited, they are actually here on Google, stored here on Google. And also, let me quickly come up here and show you something. And remember, in virtually, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete all of your activities from here. If you go to other activity here, now if you go to other activity here, you're going to be seeing virtually everywhere YouTube history, web and app activity, most especially on this, all your activities on the web, be it on the app, everything is stored on Google. If you click here, you will be able to delete all of your activities here. So you can see here, you can see it here. So if you want to delete your activities here, you just go ahead, you click on this, then you're going to come down here. If you want to click all of your activities on Google, you're going to click on this. Then you can see here, like I rightly told you, can see all these are all of your activities everywhere you visited. You can just check everything here. Okay, now if you don't want to delete everything, you can just uncheck, and then you're going to select the ones that you actually want to delete. Then you're just going to go ahead and click on next. When you click on next, then you're just going to go ahead, and you can see these are some of the places I visited, right? Then you can just go ahead and click on delete, and you'll be able to delete all of your activities. Now, I'm also going to be showing you how you can actually restrict or control Google on how they'll be able to keep your activities. So if you check here, you can see where it says auto delete is off here. Now, if you want to delete your activities, either you can check, if you check, you can see from 18 months to 3 months at 36 months. If you want to be deleting your activities every 3 months, you can just check on this one. All right. If you want 18 months, you can click on this. And if you want auto delete, as soon as you are done with Google, whether you use your credit card, you use your necessary information on Google, and you want it to be deleted, as soon as you are done with Google, you can just go ahead and choose on this auto delete activity. Then it is going to help you to delete all your activities as soon as you are done with whatever you are doing on Google. So this is very, very vital. You have to do this, because if you don't do that, if you don't try as much as possible to be deleting your activities from Google, like I rightly said, it could be used against you. So I thought I should just share this information with you. So stop believing that if you go down here and then you do all this delete from this particular settings here, you've deleted your activities. No, that will not delete here. Clicking this delete browsing data, this will not delete your activities, except you go down here and do the right thing through data and privacy here. Now, if you do this deletion through here, it's going to delete everything you've used both on your phone or on the web. I hope you got value, and if you got value, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.